All right. Well, I hope you had a Merry Christmas or any other holiday you might be celebrating right now. I am going to be uploading two videos. One is just because I had a problem that needed addressing, and that is that I have Windows Server 2012, the data center, and the copy that I've been using, the Windows license is expired, and I need to get a Windows license for this. But for right now, I know that there's a little bit of a workaround to buy me some time. So I'm going to show you that if you're like me and you have an evaluation copy of Windows Server. I know that this works at least for 2012. I'm not sure about any of the other versions, but if your license has expired, then there's a way to renew that. I think like 2 or 3 times. And one thing to let you know about that is that what happens, and when I came into work this morning, all of a sudden the server was just shutting down. And the first time I thought that it was just a glitch. It just shut down for whatever reason. But then it happened again, and then it happened again, and I kept on having to start restarting it. And so I actually did a search on it and then found out that that's what Windows Server does in an evaluation copy. When the license is expired, it will just shut down on you every hour, which there's part of me that's just like, oh my gosh, that is overboard. But at the same time, I kind of get it why, and that definitely forces me to think about this problem. What you're going to want to do, this is how I get to it. There's probably different ways of doing this, but if you left click on this Windows area right here and hit this search, go ahead and type in CMD. Now, this is the hang up that I had, I think, before, is that you can't just go into command prompt and start changing these things. You have to right click on it and then do run as administrator. And Windows Server isn't as user friendly, I'm finding, as just regular Windows, and so sometimes you do need to go into this command prompt to do some things. And what you're going to be working with is something called SLMGR. And to get some of the commands that you can do, you can hit this question mark, and then it will come up with some of the things that you can type in. So right here we have this rearm, reset the licensing status of the machine. So that's what we're going to do. So SLMGR and then /rearm. So there we go. It says command completed successfully, and then all we need to do is restart the machine from here. So I'm going to go ahead and restart it. Alright, so we restarted the server, and it's back up, and we can see here that now it says Windows license valid for 180 days. So I think I get maybe 180 days more before I have to worry about it again. So like usual, I'm going to procrastinate that until I have to deal with it again. I think I could probably even do that one more time before I actually have to get the key, and so I'm just going to put that off. But that command that I showed you before with the SLMGR, and then you do space and the /rearm. Just as long as you're in a command prompt and you can run as administrator, that should work to give you that extension period. So another 180 days. So if you ran into that problem, then that should help you. So if you like this video, then go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and go ahead and hit the like button. That really helps me out quite a bit. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one.